This video is sponsored by Muscle Case. If you're looking for a high quality, handmade, genuine leather case for your iPhone 5 or up, Muscle Case is offering you a free iPhone case. All you have to do is pay for the shipping and sign up for their email list. It's that easy. So if you are interested, I'll leave a link below in my description box and grab your free iPhone case right now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm checking out the recently kickstarted Fantom R. Let's check it out. Now the brand new Fantom R arrives in this gorgeous white box, magnetic front. I went with the R10. So the R10 holds 6 to 10 cards, and I went with the carbon fiber model, of course. So flip it around the back here, you can see that it has a card fanning lever, has a full aluminum chassis, ultra thin design, featherweight, and it says available with modular upgrades. And of course it has that optional money clip, which I did go with. I went with the blue money clip, which is grade 5 titanium. Now, of course, I've been wanting to pick one of these up for months. I am one of those YouTubers who reads almost every single one of my comments, and a lot of you have recommended grabbing the Fantom wallet. So I took your advice. I went to the Fantom website, and I was gonna buy one until I saw on the very top introducing the new Fantom R Kickstarter project. I'm like, whoa, what's this? I went to go check it out, and of course it's a brand new, not completely redesigned, but it looks slightly different, and those of you with the old Fantom will see it right away with this chassis. But I was like, oh man, I gotta have this thing. So I've been waiting a few months for this thing to arrive, so I was pretty excited to grab it. I've never had a Fantom wallet before, obviously, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. And to be quite honest with you, the first couple days, wasn't a big fan of this thing. As you can see, it's a little bit larger than what I'm used to. It's almost the size of my phone here. It's like about, what, 3/4 of an inch shorter than my phone. So I'm like, this is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. But it maintains that ultra thin design as they claim, but it all depends on which model you go with. There's the Fantom R7, which holds up to 7 cards, the Fantom R10, which is this one, that holds up to 10 cards, and then you can get a Fantom R13 that holds up to 13 cards. I only carry 7 cards at any given time, so I figured this one would be absolutely perfect. Now, one of the first things that I noticed when I took it out of the box is the high quality body on this thing. This carbon fiber is legit. And this thing feels amazing. And then you have this, according to their Kickstarter page here, it says ceramic coated aluminum chassis. So this is where it differs from other previous models of the Fantom wallet, is it has this aluminum chassis that kind of wraps around the whole frame here. You can see all the way into the inside, and that's where you get your RFID protection from, is this aluminum chassis. So not only does it feel nice, that frame gives it a nice rugged, sturdy feel. Now it does come with 6 different finishes. It comes with walnut, bamboo, brown dot embossed leather, black pebbled leather, black diamond embossed leather, and carbon fiber, this model right here. Now I was pretty torn on which one I was gonna get, because to tell you the truth, those wooden ones look amazing, especially that bamboo. I'm just a fan of light colored wood, and I really wanted to grab that. But I'm super happy I went with this carbon fiber. As you can see, it looks amazing. And then this money clip I was kind of torn on too. At the last minute, I went with this blue, but there's 10 different colors. My original 2 choices were either yellow or orange. At the last minute, I changed my mind to blue. Wasn't sure why. It looked great on the website. That's probably why. I should have probably went with the brighter color. That's just me. But luckily, I can change this out to any one of those colors I want to. Just came in this box here, like I mentioned before, grade 5 titanium, and just a couple screws, take it off, switch it out, and then you're good to go. I'm probably going to end up doing that. So what makes the Fantom so special, you ask? Well, it's this little lever right here, and it's super smooth. I do have a couple wallets with this quick action lever that kind of pushes the cards up or fans them out, but this one's a little unique. So, I'm not sure. Let me see if I can see inside there. There you go. You can kind of see inside, but it's like a little tiered wedge, almost like a staircase looking thing. There you go. So, it's just on a spring, and it's super smooth. So, as soon as you push up, the cards fan out. And I'm gonna demonstrate that real soon. And then what keeps the cards in there, on the other side, you probably can't see that, but over here, a little rubber stopper. So when you push the cards in, it gives it a nice grip. And then if you wanna get them out, boom. So I mentioned before that my first couple days with this thing, wasn't really too sure about it, and I'll tell you why right now. Here's 10 cards. Now, this claims it can hold 10 cards. I understand it's all based on the thickness of the cards. These cards are thicker than normal. There's 10, but it only holds 9, and I'll show you. So, what you gotta do first, put all 9 in like this, and then stuff them into that little slot, and then just push them down. And the action on this, the actual action of this is flawless. So you can hear, I just snapped it into place, and I'll do that again. So all 9 cards. I mean, it feels great. So what wasn't I too sure about? Well, I only hold 7 cards at all times. So let's just do that right now. So that's 9, 8, 7. So of course, if you only have 7 cards, you're gonna have this little space in between. And it does move around. Not to worry, if you only have 7 cards or under like myself, this does not come out. Now, you'll see it come out slightly, but as much as I shake this, they're not gonna come out. Unless I go real hard, like this, which I would never do. See, now they start to come out. Or if they're fanned out like this already, you know, they say that they won't come out, but they will if you shake hard enough, like I just showed you. So for example, if they're fanned, see, they will come out. So you really have to pound on this thing or shake it super hard for these cards to come out. But I don't like this, you know, so I almost have to keep 2 more cards in there that I'm not really used to carrying, just so I don't get that little loose shake in there. And that's just me being neurotic. You know, if you guys aren't like me and don't care to have your cards flopping around in there, that's fine. And this feels great. I mean, yeah, I don't mind the feel of this fully loaded, but take 2 out, there's 7 cards. This, not the biggest fan of. So let's talk about this fanning motion. As smooth as this is, it's smooth as butter. I mean, you can see if I go super slow, they're gonna fan out super slow. If I go fast, same deal. I mean, it doesn't matter. The lever is absolutely fantastic. But my issue is when you fan them out, they don't fan out enough for my liking. So I wish they just fanned out a bit more. So if I had to grab a card in the middle, I can easily grab it. So as I pull down the lever, you can see from there the spacing of these cards. And once again, I just don't like the spacing of the cards from the fan. Here I am trying to get a card out the middle, in which it would probably happen maybe once a month, okay? But if I went like this and tried to get this middle card out, based on the way this wallet is shaped, it's kind of hard to fan them out from this point because of the stopper here. You almost have to fumble around too much to get the cards out of the middle. So you have to fan them out, and then some get, you know, kind of jammed up in the middle. That's my first negative of this type of wallet. A great feature of this wallet is, since I only use 2 or 3 cards on a daily basis, if I want this first card here, it's just as easy as that. You don't even have to use the lever. Taking out my credit card in the front, boom. Second card, boom. It's that easy. Or, let's put those back in. If I want that back card, same deal. Even if you want to fan the cards to take that back one out, it's that simple. So I do like this wallet for that reason, but just like any other minimalist wallet, it just has the same problem getting cards out of the middle. Even though they try to make it a little bit easier with this fanning technology, it's still a problem for me. But is that a deal breaker? I don't think so. Like I said before, almost every single minimalist wallet that I've reviewed on this channel has the same issues. So there's gonna be some trade-off. If you wanna carry a wallet like this, you're gonna have that trade-off of some functionality for style. So you can see I have this reversible money clip in the front. If you don't want it in the front, just take out those 2 screws, boom, put it in the back. Let's just see, I haven't put bills in this thing yet. So I would normally just fold it like this, and let's see, man, this is very tight. So there's 8 bills folded over once, and it's not bad. You can see it's almost the same width as those bills. So I turned it to the back side and you can't even see those bills. I really like this because you can fold it over one time. The bills don't hang over the edges like most minimalist wallets. A lot of the times, because I don't want the bills to hang over the edge, I fold it in quarters like this, and then everything becomes just too darn thick. It bends the money clip up, and I don't even want to do that. So this is a great cash carrying solution if you want to carry a minimalist wallet and you still have cash, like I do on occasion. This isn't a bad solution. And if you see that side profile, it doesn't add too much thickness to the wallet. And as you know, folded over bills adds more thickness to a wallet than anything. So the wallet's not going to get any thicker because it's made to carry so many cards. The only way it's going to get thicker is if you just stack a bunch of bills together right there. So the next question is the Fantom R good enough to be my everyday carry wallet? That's yet to be seen. I'm still carrying the Contour around religiously. I absolutely love that wallet. This is cool. You know, it is growing on me. Even though I didn't like it the first couple days, I always give wallets a chance just to see if I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it'll grow on me. And yeah, this one's growing on me. You know, it does have that one-handed operation, as they claim. And let's be real, no one's gonna say, oh yeah, here, you want my credit card, and just take it out with one hand and try to do that. That's silly. You know, you're going to always take it out of your pocket, hold it with this hand, and boom. If you want to be that guy to try to do everything one-handed, it will work, but one card is about as far as you're gonna go. If you're someone with an older Fantom wallet, is this enough to upgrade? I don't know, that's really up to you. I never had an older Fantom, this is my first one. But I would say if you don't have a Fantom and you're looking to get into one, this is a nice place to start. The quality's there, the durability's there. This fanning technology is pretty cool, even though it does have some drawbacks. But yeah, I'm really starting to like this thing. It's definitely growing on me. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the brand new Fantom R? I'm filming this video August 31st of 2019, so I got this early because I kickstarted it. As of right now on their website, it's still up for pre-order, so you still can't get this. I don't see a definitive date that you can get this on their website, so I'm not even sure when you'll be able to get your hands on this. But I'm curious, anybody else that helped kickstart this thing, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of the brand new Fantom R. And don't forget to check out the link below in my description box to Muscle Cases. Click that link. They're offering you free iPhone cases. All you have to do is pay shipping and sign up for their email list. So click the link below and show those guys some love. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and go!